syempre, mas kilala ang character po ninyo dito at sa pagpasok po ninyo sa La Luna Sangre.
Mysterious character.
Yes, the mysterious character. Sir, mag-hi po muna kayo sa lahat na mga kasama natin.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Most of you hindi ko kilala. First time to meet or some face are familiar. Welcome to the set of La Luna Sangre. My second week na maging part ng very successful and interesting series of the year.
Sir, so far po ba, how do you feel about being part of La Luna Sangre?
Honestly, to be part ng ganitong klaseng kalaking magnitude ng isang soap opera is overwhelming. Kasi kung isipin natin, for the past year, bihira yung ganito kalalaki na project. But I'm fortunate enough na nakasama ko sa iba, sa ilang-ilan. At again, nakasama muli ako sa isang ganitong project. And to top it off, napaka-interesting ng narrative. At napaka-interesting din ng takbo ng bawat isang character. Kasi per character, may kanya-kanyang hidden secret na pwedeng mag-unfold sa proseso ng takbong story.
Sir, kayo po, what do you personally find interesting about Lofty as a character?
Very mysterious. Hindi mo alam kung black or white siya. Yung tao na mag-decide kung ano tingin nila ang takbo ng character. Kaya ako na parang nagka-interest sa character. Kasi hindi mo siya matimpla. Hindi isang klaseng character na pag nakita mo, what you see is what you get. Ito hindi. Marami siyang layers na hindi maintindihan ng mga taong pinapaligiran.
Kaya halatang enjoy ka.
Actually, more than enjoy. Having a great time.
How do you feel po na after Princess and I, magkasama po ulit kayo ni Catherine O'Connor?
Long overdue. Actually, nung natapos yung Princess and I, na-miss ko yung buong team ng serye na yan. And I've been longing na hopefully someday soon magkasama kami ulit. Actually, the production staff and most of the actors ng Princess and I nandito. So parang reunion namin.
Was that a big factor po kung bakit po yung umuo sa offer?
One of the, because I really wanted to work with Daniel and Catherine again. And perfect naman itong project. Because not only I'll be working with them, pero isa pang magandang serye, at isa pa, isang character na hindi ko pa nagawa. Kasi yung character ko dito, mysterious and yet may pagka-loose. So may comedy side siya because of his personality. He's gone through so much in life na malalaman natin in the future episodes kung bakit siya ganito. So yung part na yun, very interesting.
May I ask, what are your preparations for your role in La Luna Sangre?
Itong pinakamahirap na nagawa kong role dahil hindi ako comedian. Wala akong inborn talent na magpatawa. So ang ginawa ko na lang is to be as natural as possible. And humanap ako ng magandang tech na pwede kong i-base yung, kasi may mga ina-idolize ako ng mga natural, not really comedian, but marunong magpato ng natural line na nakakatawa. Like, kunyari, si Harrison Ford ng Raiders of the Lost Ark, si yung Vidas the Mummy. Yung character nila seryoso, pero alam nila magbato ng normal, pero sa audience nakakatawa. So yun yung more or less na ini-invite ko na kung paano maging natural at the same time na hindi ka nagpapatawa pero matatawa yung tao sa'yo. Na natural.
Hindi lang sa Raiders of the Lost Ark, ganun si Harrison Ford, even in Star Wars.
Even Star Wars, yung character niya na yung persona niya. Na merong kitik na, oh?
You were talking po kanina about yung prosthetic. So the mustache and the beard, that's not prosthetic siya?
Oh, actually, I can grow na ganito, yes, given the time. But kasi at the moment, meron akong ginagawang isa pang serye na doon naman malinis ako, so hindi pwede. So we decided na prosthetics na lang, which is talagang sakripisyo because it takes about an hour and a half for the hair and the full beard.
Na-in-love na character mo dito or?
Unfortunately, hindi ko pwedeng ikwento pero we'll get there.
Kung So ang character mo hindi lang dadaan, mag-stay.
Maybe the best way to say it on my end is proseso. May proseso siyang dadaanan.
Kumusta po yung reunion nyo with Kathniel, yung first meeting again?
Parang the best part about it, yung bonding namin during Princess and I, masyadong naging solid. Nung nagkita kami, para lang, nag-continue lang. And we were so happy to be together again. Yung mga anak ko na yung dalawa na yun. And Princess and I, baby pa si Catherine, baby pa rin si Nia. Ngayon, adults na sila pa rin. So nakakatuwa. Na, they grew up to be very good.
Ano profile ng character mo? Pinoy o tribal?
Ang profile nitong character, he is a parang overachiever to begin with. He studied probably in Harvard, and then he became one of the scientists ng Pennsylvania State University. So ano siya?
May wisdom ng tao.
Ano siya talagang he's a scientist. And kaya lang natuon yung attention niya sa biological composition ng vampira. Hindi ko kwento kung bakit. So may backstory yan. So yung buong buhay niya, kumbaga, tinuon niya sa pag-aaral kung paano ang mga vampira. How to deal with them, how to probably cure them. Yun ang mundo iniikutan niya. So may backstory malalim to na kaya mysterious yung character niya na ma-reveal yan in the future.
Doon po sa isang recent episode ng La Luna, may pinakitang silhouette ng bagong babaeng character. May connection po ba siya kay Joffrey? Or are they unrelated?
Actually, hindi ko lang sasabihin, pero sabihin, hindi naman makaka-affect ito. Merong direct connection. Pero may mystery pa rin ito. And masashock na lang ang lahat na nalaman nila ko. At kung sino yun.
Parang yung character mo is shrouded by mystery. Oo. Does it pose a challenge to you?
No, actually, I like it. Yun nga, yung challenge na yun, I really like it. Kasi yun yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng layers of character. Meron pa pinapakitang facade, pero underneath that facade, iba pang layers yun na pwede nilang mag-unravel as the soap goes on. Hindi siya one dimension, multi-layer siya na character. Very exciting, very challenging.
Parang non-linear.
Sa extent. Hindi ka nakapako, hindi ka nakakahon.
How much of the backstory po ng character ang kinuwento sa inyo ng creative, and how much are they keeping you in the dark
Well, actually,
regarding the future of your character?
as far as the backstory, nung i-present sa akin itong project na ito, isang buong teleserye na. So, kung doon natin umpisahan yung isang buong serye na siya, so ganun kalalim na yung understanding dito sa character, kung paano siya nagkaganito.
Because that's the character's past.
Character ko, in correlation with the vampires, my family, and kung bakit ako nagkaganito. Yun na yung interconnection. An interconnection with kung ano pa bang being ang nandyan. Ay kung bakit siya nag-invest ng time ng buhay niya para lang specifically sa mga vampires.
Makakategorize mo bang mad scientist siya?
Borderline.
Borderline.
Kasi meron siyang gusto ma-achieve na gagawin yan, wala siyang pakialam basta magawa niya. So, meron siyang
OC.
borderline na ano. It's not really OC, it's more of drive, it's more of goal, it's more
One
of...
track mind. Parang ganun.
Hindi rin eh. Hindi ko kasi makwento yung backstory niya eh.
Multi-dimension eh.
Hindi ko makwento kasi yung backstory niya, pero doon nagagaling yun eh. Meron siyang bit-bit na pwede ko nakalimutan lahat basta ma-achieve ko lang to. Not because of his persona, but because of what he's gone through life. Yun ang ano niya, hindi siya pumili persona yan. It's just that, ito yung objective ko, ito yung pambayad sa nangyari sa akin.
Ba't bago nagsimula yung serye, nakaplano ka na?
Honestly, no. Ito ang maganda nga yan. Originally, kasi siyempre tayong mga taga-ABS, tulong-tulong tayo kung may malaking project. So part of my participation is to play the father of Daniel. which is played by Romnick. Originally, that was my role. Parang tulong-tulong. Tapos, he dies, tapos na. Parang Jezebel. But unfortunately, during time na yung schedule yun, meron akong tight na soap na ginagawa at the same time. Na pilot din. So, hindi nag-match yung schedule. So, nakalimutan ko na yan. Nag-focus na ako sa isa. Until, I believe, dahil sa week 1, week 2 ng Luna, nag-change sila ng strategy. Na ngayon, nag-focus na to more on talagang parang conquest against the vampire.
Oh.
That's why na-create yung character ni Prof.
The Luna po is the most action-packed serye that FML has done. Will we see you do action scenes?
Watch tonight. Tonight's episode. Kami lahat dito exposed sa action. Actually, yun ang pinaka main positioning namin right now as far as this group is concerned. Kami yung pang-action na.
Demon Chasers.
Ito na yung parang pang-tapat. So meron kayong army ng mga vampira. Ito yung army naman ng humans. Para kami yung pinaka-police.
Pero hindi ka immortal.
Let's just move forward. Marami pang mag-unfold. Ayoko naman maging spoiler.
Yung action mo may humor din.
May humor. Saka may pinahugutan yung action na yan kasi malalaman mo in the future kung bakit skilled ako. Kung bakit para akong pag kumilos ako para akong sila.
In one scene po, recently, may pinakita si Prof T, he was drinking from a flask. Ano po yung...
That's part of the mystery.
Formula. Ano formula?
That's part of the mystery.
Yung tungkol po din sa character, since parang leader po kayo ng mga nalahat ng vampire, may tendency po bang, halimbawa sabi niyo po kasi masyadong goal-driven siya. Kung halimbawa na gusto niya, yung goal niya talagang gagawin niyo, may tendency po ba halimbawa yung character nila kasi niya masagasaan nila yung goal niya? May tendency ba maging kalaban?
As I said earlier, lahat gagawin ni Prof T para ma-achieve yung goal niya. So given na yun. Saka keep in mind, hindi ma-attach si Prof T sa grupo na to. Because in reality, instrument lang sila ni Prof T sa kanyang ultimate
using
goal.
them.
In a way. Basta ang tingin ni Prof T sa kanila, instrument to achieve his goal. Wala siyang emotional attachment, nothing. It's just sila works as instrument for his goal. Kaya kita mo yung layering niya.
Ang galing ng pagkakataon.
Maganda yung pagkahimay.
The last time po that you worked with Kathiel, Haring Anand was a white character talaga eh.
Oo. Ayun, pusong, ano yun, kumbaga pusong ginto na, ano siya, hindi siya makabasag pinggan.
Tingnan.
Ano ba?
Ang
Ano pagmamahal?
Ang goal mo dito is to eliminate vampire. Or to propagate.
Marami yun. Beyond pa yan.
Iba rin.
Hindi, not just, but to.
Nasa yung twist lahat.
Not just, but to.
Pero si Sandrino, kilala niya si Prof T or hindi pa?
Pag sinabi ko yan, siguro, sikwento ko na yung buong story. Mabuting putulin natin dito pa.
Ano yung nasa character mo ang gusto-gusto mo?
Yung pagka-misteryoso niya, kaya ako rin nami-misteryoso sa sarili ko. Pag nilalatag ko na lahat.
Hindi, may trait ba siyang extra special which appeals to you?
Well, because you see, the guy is a genius. Kumbaga, hindi siya your ordinary professional. The guy is a scientist na nasa borderline of insanity and brilliance. Sa akin, sa pag-portray mo ng character, yun yung pinaka-interesting part. Kasi you don't wanna go overboard na parang sira na ang ulo mo. And you don't want naman na hindi maramdaman ng tao na extreme ka. So kailangan yung fine line nun maklaro ko. Parang audience maintindihan naman yun. Ayoko isipin nila sira uto character. More of that. Yeah.
Okay.
Internally po, ano yung naging process niyo sa pag-create ng character?
Ang hirap kasi nito nga dahil multi-layer. So ang ano ko na lang, ang pinangahawakan ko na lang is my intention. Tapos yung peripheral na lang lahat. Tapos bibit-biting ko na siya. Kasi pag nawala yung original na thread na hinahawakan ko, makakonfuse ako sa character, sa actor. So hinahawakan ko my intention. Kahit anong gawin ninyo, wala akong pakialam sa inyo, basta magawa ko ito intention. Lahat kayo instrument ko lang. And not in a bad way, but we don't know. Kumaga, probably bad for this, or good for that, or bad for this, or good for that. So we don't know.
Pero how much of Albert Martinez, the person, is in Prof T, the character?
Zero.
Zero.
So, do you have a process na mag-detach? Or nahihirapan ba kayo pag gano'n?
Through the years kasi of being in this industry, napag-aralan ko na paano yung mag-detach. You have, pero hindi ako bumibitaw hanggang I'm in the project. But once matapos ko yun, automatically set to it. Kung hindi, ma-confuse ako sa person, hindi ko nakilala yung sarili.
Ibig mo sabihin, hindi mo tinitingnan ang sarili mo na yung tingin ng ano sa'yo, mysterious as an actor. Ni mas malalim na tingin sa'yo ang public. Hindi mo tinitingnan ang sarili mo.
Dala-dala ko lang yung character mismo. Yung me as me, wala sa equation yun. Ang inaano ko lang talaga, yung dala ko yung secret na bit-bit ko. Pag sinabi ng action, yun ang pagkakawa.
So there are no similarities po between you and your character in terms of personality?
No, not. It's medyo on the edge ng character na in control. Hindi siya yung nasa edge na out of control. Itong this guy, since he's brilliant, he's always in control. Kung ano man nakikita niyang nangyayari sa lahat niyan, lahat yun, bago pa lang nangyari, napag-isipan na niya. So kung pumunta yung phone dyan, alam na niya kung ba't pumunta yung phone dyan. At kung kailan pumunta yung phone dyan. Na, kumbaga naisip na niya lahat.
It's always several steps ahead of everyone else.
Lahat na nangyari dito, na-calculate na niya. Kumbaga, mathematically alam niya kung bakit pula yan, bakit yung pinatong yan. Ganun yung ano niya. Ganun siya ka...
May algorithm ka na.
Meron na siya.
Sir, both ambitious, yung character niyo sa Provinciano na here, paano niyo siya madi-differentiate? How different is it generally with the values?
Dito kasi, I cannot really call it ambitious. The character is not ambitious at all. Meron lang siyang goal. It's not about ambition, it's not about self-proclamation or self-worth or nothing. It's just that, because yung nangyari sa past niya, kailangan niya ma-achieve to para masagot yung nangyari sa past. At meron siyang isang goal. It's a noble goal to help mankind. So, hindi siya.
Mananalo ba sila ng Nobel Prize?
Bakit yata yung pero ang point dito, hindi mo alam para kanino.
So this is really a good character.
For who? See, there's two factions, right? So we don't know which side.
Morally ambiguous.
Is it for this side or for that side? Good for who?
Albert, how would you describe your character? Is it traditional or modern? Kasi pagpasok mo pala sa eksena nun, naka-Beatles ka na, Volkswagen Beatles na very traditional.
Yung character niya kasi although he's very high-tech, pero he likes the vintage feel and look and compassion. So yun yung even his outfit, the wardrobe. So ganun siya.
The Converse.
hindi siya yung parang ultra modern. But technically, he is. He listens to old school music.
Vintage eh.
Very vintage siya. He listens to old school music. He likes everything old.
Out of the box.
Pero yung brain niya, iba. Kumbaga, masyado nang wild yung sa mundo. Gusto niya yung mundo niya simple.
Eccentric.
But is he techie as well?
Very techy. He created all the weapons nila na will give parang more impact to eliminate the
Ano pang Hollywood ang character?
Masarap. Masarap. Nakakatuwa. Saka character na hindi mo siya makakalimutan.
Sir, sabi niyo po kanina na when you first worked with Catherine and Daniel, babies pa sila pareho. Ano po ang, and now they're adults, ano po ang na-notice niyo na naging changes sa kanila from the time that you first worked with them hanggang ngayon? Ano po ang nagbago sa kanila?
Well, it's yung typical teenager na malikot, na maharot, na masaya, funny because of the age. Ngayon yung humor nila completely changed. I mean, yung masaya pa rin sila, but alam mong adult na. Parang yung level ko at level nila is actually parang magkasabay na. Kasi nung dati, parang feeling ko, parang mga 6 years old na sila. Ganun kalayo ako. Ngayon hindi eh. Even when nagkukwento kami ganyan, kung ano yung level ko, yun ang level ko. Sabihin na, naabot na nila yung level of wisdom and adult mindset na tama-tama naman because of the age. Pero tingin ko parang maaga pa rin. But then again, I'm happy na umabot sila din. Dahil meron ng sense of responsibility, sense of awareness, sense of respect. Hindi na
Are they
sila
much
baby.
more professional now? than
They were
before?
professional before, pero ngayon, ibang level na. Talagang, ang passion nila for work is talagang professional level. It goes with
Ayan.
age.
Dahil siya, maraming salamat po.
Thank you din. And